welcome back to my channel. Got another packaging today. Let's find out what's in it. And thank you for supporting my channel. I've been able to keep up with a lot of things. I very much appreciate it. Oh, don't you just love how packages just don't seem to want to Well, let's see how they look. They are pendants for the horoscope pendants. Let's see what we got. Oh man. Yeah, I hate this noise. Oh. Let's see how good they are. Are they really nice? I can't tell. Sometimes when I get things from Amazon, sometimes they are not all that great. But these look okay. We'll find out later when I make some and demold them. It's not half bad. Okay, thank you all for watching. And thank you all for supporting. Don't forget, if you're new, please subscribe, hit the like button, share. Don't forget to buy me a cup of coffee. Thank you. Have a good day. Namaste.